Welcome to Healthwize Hub, where we share simple, science-backed habits to support your health naturally. 5 best drinks to help boost heart health and stabilize blood pressure. And if you're missing them, you may be missing some of the simplest ways to protect your heart every day. Your heart works 24 hours a day to keep you alive. But many people don't realize that what you drink daily can either support your heart or slowly damage it. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 natural drinks that can help support heart health and help keep blood pressure stable. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because one of these drinks might be something you'll want to start today. And before we begin, don't forget to follow or subscribe. And let's see which of these drinks you already take regularly. The first drink is lemon and garlic water. To prepare it, crush 1 clove of garlic and mix it with a glass of warm water and the juice of half a lemon. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Garlic is known to help lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation, while lemon provides vitamin C and antioxidants that support heart health. This simple drink can help your body cleanse the blood vessels and support healthy blood flow. The second drink is hibiscus tea. Just add dried hibiscus petals to hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants and is well known for its natural ability to reduce blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea regularly may help relax blood vessels and improve heart health. Plus, it has a refreshing, slightly tangy taste that many people love. The third drink is beetroot juice. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates, which help improve blood flow and relax blood vessels. This can help lower blood pressure and improve oxygen delivery throughout the body. Just blend 1 fresh beetroot with a little water, and you can add a small piece of ginger or apple for better taste. Drinking beetroot juice regularly can be very beneficial for your heart. Sometimes, small daily habits make the biggest difference for your heart. Which of these drinks have you tried before? Let me know in the comments below.